So I hope that teachers understand that these monies at some point in time will be deducted. Of course, the court order in its current form restrains actions to be taken in this regard. So there will not be no deduction now. The court order will be complied with. But once that court order is lifted, and it will be lifted.
That's Attorney General and Minister of Legal Affairs Anil Nandlal explaining government's position in the court case brought against the government by the Guyana Teachers Union. The GTU has asked the High Court to prohibit government from slashing the salaries of teachers who were on strike and continue the deduction of membership dues and remit it to the GTU. But Senior Counsel Roysdale Forde, during a press conference on Tuesday, said that the rant by the PPPC government that the teachers' strike was political in nature and the no work, no pay position has been taken out of context by the Attorney General and the Chief Education Officer.
In relation to what the Attorney General and the Chief Education Officer were saying, that if you strike, you don't have an entitlement to salary. I believe that that is a misapplication of the general principle. It's a principle that sounds fair, it sounds sensible, it sounds appropriate, but each principle or each legal contention operates in the context of the environment under which it is to be applied. And its application in this case, we believe it is very inappropriate and it would be misconceived to apply it, as urged by the Attorney General.
The legal challenge brought against the government by the Guyana Teachers Union will be heard on March 20, 2024 in Court 3 of the High Court before Justice Sandil Kisoon. Senior Counsel Forde reasoned that the real issue at hand should be collective bargaining.
We're dealing here with a situation where the Guyana Teachers Union, as the principal union involved in this dispute, would have written a number of letters to the government seeking to engage in the concept and in the principles and the execution of collective bargaining. That would have gone on for years in the context of a proposed labor package for the years 2019 to 2023. We are in the year 2024 and the Guyana Teachers Union is still seeking to have those areas or that plan still implemented.
Already, the High Court has granted 2 temporary orders which prevents government from cutting the salaries of striking teachers and stopping the automatic deduction of union membership dues. Travis Chase, HGP Nightly